All right, guys, we got a 2009 BMW 335xi, sorry, all-wheel drive. Really nice car. So he had custom downpipes with catted downpipes up here by VTSF, right there. There'll be a link in the description, and then he's got a true dual. And then he brought us this X pipe that wasn't fitting. We had to fab it for him, take this frame off and install it, okay? There it is. So we welded it up over here and installed it on the back side for him. And then this was already on it. It's a Borla S-type right there and right there. As you guys can see, it's running right now. We were checking it for leaks also. Borla S-type. So it's a full kit. So it's the VTSF, I think. VTSF system in the front to the middle. Then he brought this X pipe and we put it on, and then it's got a Borla S type out the back. Good luck with that description, guys. But yeah, there it is. That's what it looks like. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So if you're in the area, come say hi. And like always, guys, hit that subscribe button. 335i. That sounds so good. Got that distinctive BMW pop. Your sound decibels? Right at 106. Again? Gonna back it up. Yeah, it definitely needs the tune updated now that we fixed the X pipe on it. Still sounds really nice though. You know. What do you guys think of this marble? This sounds so good. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. BMW 335xi. Twin turbo built. He's taking it to Kennedy Performance next for them to do the tune. And then you'll really hear it. Borla X type out the back. Custom X pipe, down pipes, high flow cats. Just crazy all the way around. Oh, it sounds so good. Be smoke. Enjoy, guys.